Hello, good morning, good morning, good morning, good day in your locality. Today we'll be looking at the range function. The range is a keyword in Python. I want to know what it is used for. I want to know what it is used for. So range brings an iterable, like you want a range between 1 to 9. So it will give you a number starting from 1 and stop before the last number. So if I say, for example, A equals to, let me put it in a list form, it's a list range of, look at the screen, you see, where am I starting from? I want to start from 1, I'll stop at where? I'll stop at 9. So if I say I'll stop at 10, then it will give me a list of numbers from 1 to 9. I close it, then I have this, I can see my see a list of numbers from 1 to 9. So use range for the follow. You get to see that later in Python. So I have another way of getting my range. I can say A, so let me use B equals to the range of number from, I just want the range of number 10. What will this give me? What will this give me? This will give me range of number from 0 to 9. 0 to 9. Okay, I did not put it in this one, please. Sorry for that. I forgot, that was a mistake. So I'll have it here as B, lace, sorry, range 0 to 9. I copy my B, I have it this way. So you can see it 0 to 9. So briefly we'll make use, another way before we go into making use of those functions, another way of making a range is, I want, for instance, I want a range of even numbers or I want a range of odd numbers. I can say this equal to this range. I want this number to start from 1. Oh, sorry, I want it to start from 0 to stop at, I want 10 to be included, so it will stop at 10. So I have to range from 0 to 11. The step, the increment, I want to the step of 2. I simply close it, and you see, wow, we have our even numbers. So these are just the ways we can make range. Examples where we can make range, get a list of numbers. So we can do things like sum, max, main, max, sum, main, and length has been discussed in the previous video. You can see this, that the max of A, let me first print A, I have the max of A to be 9, that is the maximum of A, while the minimum of A to be 1. Then what about the sum? The sum will sum up everything. The sum of A gives me 45. Good. Then also I want to introduce us to a new function I call count. Count. First, let me do the length of A give me 9. Like there are 9 numbers in my A. So what is count? We use count to know the frequency of a particular number in a list. Frequency of a particular number in a list. For example, let me take D equal to, this is my list. It's not actually a list, but it can be an iterable list of numbers, the frequency of occurrence, either a number or an alphabet in an iterable. So I have this iterable here. let me just stop there. I have this as my D. If I want to get the frequency, a particular number of, say D, which is the variable name, dot count, which is the method, then number, the argument will be inside. So if I want how many times one appear, I'll use the variable name dot count, the number inside, and gives me 5 times. And looking at the list, you see we have one, one, two, three, four, five. So the number one appeared 5 times. Please, I'll end this video here because of time. Um, Subsequently, the next video will be discussing about list comprehension and answer given to the task that was given last week. Please do subscribe to the channel and share the video. You can comment. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching.